Hi guys! So those of you who are following my channel since long time must have guessed it by now that yes, I have got my braces removed, and guess what, I have filmed the whole video for you guys. And yeah, let me take you guys to that day. And before I play that video, I want to tell you guys that yeah, it's been a very long, but the journey was worth it. Because of the COVID situation, my braces duration was increased, but yeah, finally got it removed. And it's almost Christmas, and I think this is the best Christmas gift ever for me. Yes, a new smile. Yeah, what could be better than that, right? So yeah, let's go to that day. Hi guys, so today is the day I am finally removing my braces. So it's like almost more than 1 year, and I can't wait to remove my braces. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna film the whole procedure, so I'll show you guys and I'll take you guys with me in my journey of removing my braces. Okay, so let's start. So this is the doctor for today. He's Dr. Naufal, and he is my batchmate. So he is going to remove my braces today. So this is the pliers we are using. This is the instruments we are using to remove the braces. So the first instrument is to remove the braces. This is to remove the brackets. And another instrument is to remove the bands, which is one ring-like thing which is there in the last part of the tooth. So yeah, now let's start. And this is the instrument to remove the cement from the teeth. Okay, to stick the teeth we glue it with cement. So to remove that we need this instrument, which is called as eroder. So yeah, let's start with the day. We have removed the braces already. Now it's the time to remove the cement, and I showed you the instrument already. So we are going to use that instrument to remove the cement from my teeth, as you can see in my teeth. What did you take? Video. My braces are off, but we have some screws placed inside, as you can see, to pull the teeth behind we had placed. So we are going to remove that now. So it's removed. Okay. So after removing the braces, we need to take impression. So we use this material called as alginate to take the impression of the teeth, and we mix it with water and we take impression. So this is the impression tray. We are going to put that material which I showed you just now in this after mixing, and we are going to place it in my mouth, and then the impression of the teeth will be there in this. Yeah, so Dr. Naufal is going to make my impression now. So he is mixing. So we got the impression. So this is the mark of my teeth which is present in the impression. You can see that.
You can see the other direction.
So yeah, thank you, Naufal. Actually, I want to give an credit to Naufal because usually when I'm on the chair, even though I'm a dentist, I am really very scared. But he didn't make me feel scared or nervous at all, and it wasn't painful at all. And even when he was removing implants, I told him to remove. I told him to give anesthesia and remove because I was really scared because it will hurt. But he did some technique and he removed it without any pain. I was really shocked. One side it was a little hurting because he didn't use his technique, but the other side he told he's using some of his technique so that it will not hurt. Without anesthesia, it didn't pain at all. Imagine. So this is the power of a good doctor, Naufal. He's gonna be topper. Okay. Bye. Thank you, Naufal. That's how was that day. That day was very special for me, and now I am actually wearing this retainer every time. This retainer we have to wear it for like almost 24 hours. Only the time when we are eating food we have to remove this. So lower teeth I am wearing the fixed retainer which is there in the inside of my teeth, which you cannot see. It's on the inside surface, and this is for the upper. Now I'll wear and show you guys. So for those of you who don't know why we wear this retainer is that, so let me explain to you guys that why do we wear retainer. So imagine our teeth is surrounded by an elastics. Okay, all the teeth are surrounded by elastics. So what happens to elastic when you stretch it? It will get stretched, right? But what happens once you remove the release the elastic? It will go back to original position. The same way, the braces, when it is giving force to your teeth, it will stay in the position you want it to be. Okay, but once you remove the braces, there are high chances that it will go back to the old position. So that is why we wear this retainer for almost like a year, maybe more than a year also. For the few cases we prefer the lifetime wear of retainer also, because there are really high chances of the teeth to go back to old position. So yeah, that is why we wear it, and I hope it's clear to you guys. I'm gonna make another video completely only on retainer, so you can watch that. I'm not explaining much in this video because the video will become very long. So yeah, also if you want to watch journey with my braces ka video, in that so much information is there. I'll give the link in the description. You can watch it. I made it like 6 months before. So yeah, this is all about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Any doubt about braces or teeth or anything related to dentistry, you can ask me in the comment section. Whatever I know, I'll share it with you all. And yeah, this is all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and also subscribe and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.